Mr. President, meron po bang pisikal na kopya ng warrant of arrest laban kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte mula sa ICC?
Oh, meron. I received it from Secretary Remulla.
Masisikmura ba ng gabinete ang ganitong kataksilan? Talagang nasa lahi ninyo ang traidor at duwag. Walang nakaangat sa batas, kahit na presidente.
So if the ICC issues an arrest warrant against former President Duterte, will the Philippine government hand him over?
Will we do what? Don't recognize the warrant that they will send to us.
So that's a no.
That's a no.
Kung magiging isang bansa man tayo, kailangan natin ng isang radikal na pagbabago. Mga kapatid, mayroon tayong mas malaking kaaway kaysa mga Amerikano.
Marami akong ginawa na hindi nagustuhan ng iba, o maybe lahat, but I did it for my country.